Okay, first you're going to find your mockup. For example, here in the FreePic website, I'm choose this one, and then we download it, free download. After that, you extract the PSD file, and then you go to Photo P website, open from computer, open the PSD file, and then we wait. Okay, you can change the color of the background here. Double click this one. We're going to choose white. Click OK. Here you can change the color of the cap. Double click this one. You can change for white color. Click OK. For the design, you can double click this one. It's going to open another file. So you can put your design here. For example, I'm going to just draw something, and then we can save smart object. Okay, updated. As you can see, it's updated here. So whatever you change here, your design, after you save it, it's going to update here. After you all done, you can export it as PNG or JPEG. So that's all for me.